Welcome to Upgrade. Let's take a look at some of the products of CES 2025. Let's see the lineup of water coolers, add-ons here.
They put the RGB in the top of it, so it's like.
That's great.
Oh, I like this part for the actual video card right here. They have a bracket here with it too. Water cooling RGB light on here. If we can see the RGB lighting here. What you guys see this RGB light in here, you're gonna see it on the system in here. And ThermalTake memory. Let's check out the memory RGB lighting that they have here available. Look at that. Many different types now. We do have a chrome plated here. TDR5. All right, this is where I came for a big monstrosity of actual power. Look at this, guys. Let me show you how much power you can actually set up on these. They have two of the 12-pin connections in here. All right, two of the 12-pin connections. Plenty of connection for pretty much all your accessories and extras. So those are streaming, gaming. This is an overkill, but never know in the future if something's going to pop up that's going to require more power, because I do see a lot more RGB lighting in here, extra water cooling systems that require power. You could stretch this out. So this is a good concept for the new motherboards that are coming out with the 12-pin connection too. Different types of systems are coming up, but fully loaded here. ThermalTake 1300 watts. All right. Tough power, heavy duty monstrosity. Now, same size as the other one. They just cramped everything back in there. So keep it showing so you guys can see a little bit more.